Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick this one. Be proud of who you are. You may be inspiring someone by just being you. Choosing to be in a relationship with someone is choosing which behaviors we want to tolerate. Going home to be ugly in peace is one of my favorite things to do. What is your favorite thing to do? Take the risk. You'll be surprised what's on the other side of fear. Trust is built on telling the truth, not telling people what they want to hear. Due to personal reasons, I will be acting up until someone makes me act right. That one's funny and cute. And the last one today, I am my own breed of magic. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.